Hey everybody, this is Wendy. I'm so excited to bring this special Christmas in July class to go to you today. You can now pre-order this class. It will be available to order all the way until August 3rd. So you can get your hands on it and pre-order it. I absolutely love this class. So you're going to get a 6x6 paper pack of mistletoe, Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper that's super pretty and adorable. And you're going to use that pack to create some of the projects in your kit. You're going to get the mistletoe season stamp set that you see down there and this beautiful red cotton ribbon. And then in addition to that, you're going to get red rhinestones. Now I happen to not have any of them on hand, so I wanted to show you just the clear ones so you could see what kind of size you're going to get, but they'll be red instead of clear. If you're interested in purchasing this class to go, you can go to my website at loveandstampin.com and click on classes and you will find it there. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.